What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. So guys, today's going to be quite an interesting day, although I won't be able to cover it in today's video because the stock market opens up in about 30 minutes. So obviously we don't want this video to go that long, but today and this week will be quite important for the success of cryptocurrency and the success of the S&P 500. So in the past couple of days, over the weekend, XRP and most of the major cryptocurrencies have managed to recover, or they found their footing from this mega dump that we've seen from FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, the sell-off of pretty much every single FTX exchange going into bankruptcy here, which caused the major ripple in the market here, causing every crypto to mega dump to the downside, mega manipulation here. We've now gained a footing in the market, hanging out at about 33 cents on XRP, and some of these other cryptos are also starting to gain their footing as well, Ethereum and Bitcoin here, although we're not necessarily in a good place moving forward. So the goal, the hope, fingers crossed, is that this week can turn the tides for crypto and we can start to see some more consolidation and potentially kind of slightly move back to the upside here, because this will give us some certainty that we know it was manipulation here, but at least it will give us some certainty that we're probably going to continue our pattern to the upside here and not necessarily just see a mega dump in crypto fall off a cliff and so on and so forth. But I think the biggest thing that I'm focusing on right now is the S&P 500, which I want to talk about with you after this. But you guys can see the pattern that's developing here. You can see the problem zone that we're entering right now. But with all that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. Remember, guys, I like to do all my trades on Bityard, the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that I like to use here on the channel. As you guys know, with FTX and stuff like that, do not leave lots of money and cryptocurrency in exchanges. Leave what you can expect to lose if, God forbid, something like that happens here. I do not leave all my crypto portfolio on an exchange. I would never leave it in Bityard. I have a little bit here and there that I play around with on Bityard here, but I do not leave everything here. Keep that in mind. Do not leave it in any exchange. Take it off the computer. Leave it on an external hard drive or a hardware wallet, but do your homework. Do your due diligence. Look into things like this, which I haven't reviewed yet, but this is the EliPal Titan Mini that I have. I haven't reviewed it yet, but I am going to be doing a review sooner or later here. So just consider these external hardware wallets as an option to take crypto off. As for platforms, if you're going to do some trading, sure, go for it. But Bityard, I do like. It's still around, obviously. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, lots of cryptos. XRP, like I said, not really offered on many exchanges. They have a live account. They have a demo account with 100K Monopoly money to test your skills. So if you want to just fool around on the market, learn Bityard, or not necessarily use real crypto, but want to just test your skills on the market, you can do that using Bityard, using the demo account. You click derivatives and then click CFDs, and you can either click CFDs or click any of these, and it will bring you to this page where you can then click demo. But the best part is they offer long, short positions, leverage, stop losses, so on and so forth. And also, if you sign up with the link down in the description, which is free, by the way, and click mystery box, it'll give you a reward and you'll get some free crypto. Just right here, you can see get free crypto if you sign up with the link down in the description. Now, moving forward from that, looking at the top 10 cryptos, quick refresh reveals we're up about 1%. Markets, as you can see, have stagnated. We found some sort of bottom here. You can see every crypto has flatlined out. Bitcoin flat, Ethereum flat, BNB flat, XRP is pretty much flatline. Doge, Cardano, Matic, everything Polkadot is just stalling and trading sideways with uncertainty, but this is needed. This is expected. This is what we want because these markets were so crazy the past couple of days with mega sell-offs here, mega manipulation, that we need to find a footing and a ground to stand on, and then we should be able to reverse out of it. That's the goal here, and hopefully that happens. Honestly, with the looks of the charts right now, XRP is nearing oversold. Ideally, what I have in mind and when I plan on buying in, if we close below 30 cents, what we retested during the major dump, we've now corrected back up. If we break through 30 cents here, you can see this is where we've outlined as the rock solid bottom for pretty much most of the history within XRP. If we break through this 30-cent sideways channel here that we're in currently, we break through that, it's an immediate game over. We're seeing a short, and we're probably falling to an extremely low level, potentially 15 cents. We're going to lose 50%, but it would make for a great short on Bityard. So keep your eyes peeled. I don't want to do this manipulation speculation because there's nothing here that would have said we had this major reversal right after a pump to the upside. Everybody's expecting to rally or break outside and start to trend up. We reverse out of it and start to dump to the downside. Nobody expected it, but that's what I expect to see happen here. Is consolidation. If we break through, like I said, 30 cents, that's a key that I'm buying in and shorting here. Vice versa, I would hope that we can consolidate. I'm hoping we can stay here, and I surely hope that we can get back above 37 cents. I hope we can trend above here and eventually start to move up. That's the goal moving forward here. I hope that we can get back into here, but things are now going to start to act like descending triangles. Either we're going to get inside of here, trend sideways, or we're going to be inside of this, and this is going to be much longer into the end of 2023. We will see, but we are very much lower. Or we're going to trend like this. I don't know. But we are very much lower on the markets. We're very much so oversold practically and exhausted here that it's only a matter of time before markets start to recover slightly. Same thing applies itself with Ethereum here. Also extremely low. We're now trending above, which is good that we didn't break back inside below this. You can see $1,000 bottom support. This is price floor. This is where we had the triple bottom in June and July here, where we broke neckline and exploded up to $2,000 here from 1,000 to 2,000, 100% gains. And you can see we rallied up. You can see we're now back to retesting that. We were on top of it. We're outside the downtrend here in purple, but we're floating around on this. So the goal here is that we stay, God forbid, the goal is that we stay above $1,000. We break through the price floor of $1,000, we're shorting. So we do have to keep these options. I don't have buy and long opportunities yet, but the looks of it, I'm looking for more of short opportunities. This is confirmed. This is easy. We break through this, it's done. We're falling, we're crashing here. We break above, it's tough because we're back inside here. We were hoping to break above our 1,700 price resistance, the price ceiling, but here we are once again trending sideways. So the goal, hopefully at least some small gains as we get back above $1,260. We trade at $1,260 inside this sideways channel here. I would see some good luck and potential swings to the upside here. Now, moving forward, Bitcoin, same thing. The goal I would like to see, because we're oversold, is over the next week, we come back inside this channel here. I think it's temporary that we're at 16.7 there. If you want to, take a aggressive trade, I really truly think we're 16.4. We're going to move up to 20,000. I really do think we're going to move up to 20K. We're oversold. We're undervalued. I have this gut feeling we'll come back up to here, but it is extremely risky. I'm not ready to buy in as a conservative trader. I don't want to buy in, and the reason why I consider it risky is because of the way the S&P 500 is forming. The problem is the S&P has rallied up so much so to the point where it's retesting its top resistance. You can see typically what happens here is when we're trending below our resistance, which really is uncommon. You can see the last time we did that was here. We had a bit of a problem breaking through it. We had a couple weeks before we broke through that here, but you can see we're, for the first time, I think in history, on the weekly charts. No, that's not true. That's a lie. You can see it's been a very long time before we had this bearish cross, the possibility. And I just want to reference what I mean by that. You can see here, the green band is getting so close to crossing below this red band here. And there's a good chance it's going to happen. The last time that happened was here, was right here. You can see it was June of 2008. We had this cross right here. June of 2008, and look what happened. Mega dump. The thing that's different is we're already below it here. You can see we've already been below it. And when we were trending here, we were overbought on the weekly. And here we are nearing, we were fine to fall lower because we were damn near overbought. Now you can see, flash forward to where we are today, we were pretty much oversold. We're the opposite. We're not overbought retesting this. So there's a chance that we could potentially correct out of it. There's a chance we could, but I don't think we're going to see a mega dump to the downside here. I think likely as we pull back down to this this price floor at 3,500 and hopefully use that as a means of support. I really hope we don't fall down to 32. It's possible, but ideally the problem is this is a major resistance. We have not only the moving average, we have this uptrend here as a price ceiling, we have this downtrend, and we have another price ceiling. So this is like an apex. It's the epicenter of just problem zones. That's most likely going to cause the S&P to reverse. There's nothing bullish about the economy that we're in right now, and that's a problem here. We do have we'd like to think that the rate hikes have already been kind of worked into the market moving forward, but the questions become, when are the Feds going to start tapering down on the federal fund rate? How long are we going to trade sideways, and when are we going to start to lower that? That's the risk. That's the confusion that we're starting to see now. But truly, I think after the consistent rejection that we've been seeing here, I don't think it's time yet to expect to see a breakthrough. I really don't. We're hitting a lot of problems here, and I have a feeling we're going to fall back down to about 35, unfortunately. But it does deem a good buying opportunity when we do come back that low. With that being said, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.